So the advice I give to my staff leading up to inspection is to be yourselves, to go into your lessons as planned, to teach and deliver in a way that you always plan on a day-to-day basis, to get your learners through the course, to develop their skills, to allow them to progress. I also wanted them to see this as an opportunity for them to get feedback on their own teaching and learning, and their own professional development, and to reflect on what they are doing in the classroom. The feeling after the inspection has been one, it's quite celebratory, that staff felt they were very supported throughout. Many of them said to me they had really good conversations with the inspectors. Some staff were disappointed that they weren't involved in the inspection process because they really want that opportunity to showcase the work they're doing, to show how the students are progressing, and to get that professional dialogue and feedback as well.
I was trying to reassure staff that the inspection was a positive thing for the college, and although there was some anxiety amongst the staff, we were keen to ensure that they knew that they were ready. Just told them to do what they do on a daily basis. Beforehand, we saw all the staff and just went through the process and just assured them that what they do every day is great, and if they do that, that's what the inspectors are looking for. After the inspection, the team were really pleased with the feedback they'd received and how the inspection had gone. The anxiety was unfounded for them, and we pulled together as a team and actually celebrated as a team because we had such positive feedback both externally and internally.
Most people are very nervous and apprehensive about an inspection, but my advice would be to embrace the opportunity, showcase all the good work that you deliver, and be proud to be a part of this experience.
Dwi byth wedi poeni gormod am inspections, oherwydd dwi wastad yn meddwl os ti'n neud y gwaith gorau ti trwy'r amser, mae pob un ohonyn ni'n trio neud yn gwaith gorau pob tro. Does dim gormod I poeni amdano.
Nothing to be afraid of, totally just carry on doing what you do. I think everyone thinks you need to do something different when people come in or try and reinvent the wheel. Just do what you do, just carry on as normal, and the guys will just slot in, watch a bit and go. Yeah, so the inspection wasn't a negative experience. It was quite informal. It was not very intrusive. The lessons could just roll as normal. We just did exactly what we normally do, and the guys just came in, observed a bit. Didn't disturb us really, didn't really stop the flow of the lesson at all, anything like that. Quite an easy experience really.
I'd welcome an inspection anytime. Personally, it wouldn't faze me at all. I'm pretty confident that I'm doing all right.
I think the inspectors just wanted to see what we do here on a day-to-day basis. I didn't prepare anything special for the inspector. I just ran my classes as I would normally. The inspector came into one of my online lessons, and it was a small class. However, he quickly became part of the class. He engaged really nicely, really just naturally with the learners. He was really not an intrusion. I'm happy that my experience has been a positive one, because for future inspections I really won't be as worried.